Hey everyone, this is Ari Caesar from Automation Intelligence, and today I'm going to be talking to you about an unlikely topic, airplanes and the Wright Brothers. You might be asking yourself, what do the Wright Brothers have to do with automation intelligence? But I think this is actually a really cool example that shows the value of simulation. Many people had attempted flight before the Wright Brothers, but they were the first to successfully build a plane that could sustain flight and be controlled from the air. How did they do it? Well, you guessed it, simulation. After building several gliders that didn't work, the Wright brothers built a wind tunnel so that they could accurately determine how the different wing designs would react to realistic wind conditions. Simulation is what allowed them to try over 200 different wing designs so they could find what worked and rule out bad ideas before they even built them. Much in that same way, we use digital twins. A digital twin is the most realistic replica of an automated system that can be created. It contains way more detail than a traditional simulation does. For example, our digital twins are built on top of a physics engine that captures properties like friction, gravity, inertia, and mass. That means we can test for things like bottles breaking because they're colliding too fast. One of the most powerful features of the digital twin is what's known as emulation or virtual commissioning. The machine you're looking at is being controlled by the exact same code that controls the machine in real life. Take a minute to let that sink in. Previously, controls engineers couldn't find, let alone fix, issues like this until all the equipment was up and running, which resulted in costly downtime. Now we can use the digital twin to test programming virtually before anything is even built, so that by the time you're ready to power on your equipment, nothing like this ever happens. We've even got an operations research team that can use digital twins to find inefficiencies in your facility and unlock additional capacity you didn't even know you have. One final thought to tie this whole analogy together. The Wright brothers' first successful flight was on December 17, 1903. Just a decade later, there were entire air forces being utilized in World War I. And now just think about what life would be like without airplanes. Digital twins are today's wind tunnel, and the impact they will have for industrial automation will be tremendous.